Do you know how many individual components are packed into this Noblessa kitchen? Multiplied by the number of kitchens that we produce each year, that's an absolutely incredible number. For guaranteed quality at such figures, and that at an unbeatable price, you need a well thought out system. In actual fact, the way that we make our kitchens is really quite simple. First of all, we make all the individual components in large quantities without allocation to actual customer orders. It's not until the second part of the production process that we bring together all the components that we need and assemble them into a kitchen for Mr. Smith. But by the time that the kitchen makes its way to Mr. Smith, many things have taken place. Production starts in the raw materials store. Wood is delivered here every 30 minutes. The stocks are enough for 1 week, because we like to be on the safe side. The first step from the raw material to a kitchen is the sawing to size of the front, side, shelves and base covers and so on. The main aim, as few offcuts as possible. From the very beginning, we pay special attention to the high quality of all materials and working processes. After being sawn to shape, the corners are neatly edged. A high-performance camera checks every finished panel for faults or scratches. At the end, an additional check is made with our eagle eyes. The ladies in quality assurance can spot even the finest of details. Until it arrives in our interim store, the kitchen has no name and no buyer. That now changes. Based on the order, we pick all the components that are needed for the order. This is done exactly 1 day before the kitchen is built. A very important task that is supported by advanced technology. At this stage, the personalized manufacture to the customer order begins. Even for the hinges, our thorough German efficiency becomes an important factor, as we only place our faith in top quality components. Individual parts are turned into whole drawers on this machine. Each one manufactured to an individual specification, but nevertheless in large volumes. The worktop, the binding element in any kitchen. Absolute individuality is needed here. Every result is, of course, carefully checked. The cabinets are manufactured in parallel. And here we see our drawers again. Now the cabinet is complete and is carefully packed. That's the end of the kitchen manufacturing process. The various parts are now on their way to the dispatch area, and it's not until here at the loading bay that the whole kitchen is put together, including the electrical equipment, working surfaces and accessories. A superb logistical achievement, as all the components have to be in the right place at exactly the right time. Mr. Smith's kitchen is complete. It now goes on its way to the customer, accompanied by several others. That's it, our Noblessa system, a system that works.